In today's video, I'm going to show you guys everything that I do to my hair throughout the week, starting from day 0, freshly done curls, still wet, to about like day 7 when, you know, they're not as fire as they are right now. This is mainly for you guys who are struggling with your hair. You don't know what you should be doing to it throughout the week. You don't know if you should wash it. Should you pick it out? Should you blow dry it? Should you do something weird to it? Should you pour oil on it? I don't know, but I'm going to show you. That doesn't make sense. I do know, but I'm going to show you it instead of just telling you. Like I said before, the curls are freshly done. They're literally still wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to diffuse them. I'm going to dry them because I have somewhere to be later tonight. And then I'll update you guys before we go to sleep. So I'm going to show you that. So I'll show you guys that bedtime routine. But on a side note, if you're wondering how to make your hair curl, if you're one of the boys, you're trying to get the curls for the girls, okay, I have a separate video on that. I recorded a video for that, and there's also a live. So do not ask me, do not ask me, bro, okay? Don't ask me how to curl your hair. I have a second video on that. I have a separate video. I meant separate video. You know what I meant. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that up in one of the corners, and I'll also leave the products that I use in the description. I'll see you guys later. All right, it is still day 1 curls or day 0 curls or whatever you want to call it. Okay, my hair is completely dry now. Let me give you a little look, you know, see what we're working with. Just the back. Don't judge the back, okay? I can't see that. Hair is completely dry, so it makes sense that I show you everything I do to my hair, and part of that is putting my hair up. I never leave my hair down like this. It's too much work, and, you know, sometimes I'm feeling it, but, you know, it's too much work throughout the week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a shoestring or a hoodie string or whatever you got available to you. I'm going to tie my hair up. So throw my hair back and throw it forward. Okay, so I'm going to get underneath here. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're getting underneath your hair. No hair should be trapped between the hoodie string and your head. Now that I got that secure, I'm just going to slowly pull. I'm going to pull upwards. There we go. Making some progress. Gotta fix it in the back. Okay, yeah, that feels mega tight on my head, so I'm going to start there. Just gonna flip back and tie it in the back. Since this is day 1 hair, my hair is more defined than it is voluminous, if you will. So that gives my hair a really flat look. Now, to be honest, I kind of want this a little higher. I don't want the hair to be hanging on my forehead like that. But you know, I think the only way I'm gonna fix that is with a pick. What y'all think? What y'all think? What we working with? You liking this? See, it look like I got this gigantic part in the middle of my head, which making my forehead look huge. All right, so we're just gonna take this. I'm not combing through my hair, okay? I want that to be abundantly clear. All I'm trying to do is lift the hair off my scalp to give me some volume. Put it close to the scalp, pick it up just a little bit. Maybe not even close to the scalp. Just gonna fluff it out just a little bit here. You see how that's rising up? See how we're getting a little bit more volume? Right. It's the front that's bothering me. The sides I'm not too worried about because later on in the week it's gonna look better, but it's the front that's got me. All right, I am satisfied. This is basically the template for how my hair is gonna be for the rest of the week. I always keep my hair up. So yeah, I'm gonna go about my business. I will see y'all later. Alright, so I'm home now, just about to go to sleep. The only thing that I'm going to do right now is put on a bonnet. My hair is still up. I'm not going to do anything special to my hair right now. I'm just going to put on a bonnet and I'm going to go to sleep. Usually when I go to sleep, I don't really lie down flat on my hair to the point that the pillow hits it like this. Usually what I'll do is I'll either lie on my hands. I'll lie on my hands so my hair isn't really touching the pillowcase like that. It's not really getting impacted like that. Or when I lie down, I make sure that the back of my hair is lying like almost parallel to the pillow. It's not really that important. I just don't like my hair to feel flat in the morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a bonnet on and go to sleep. I'll see you guys later. All right, so this is how my hair is looking right now. Take the tie up. Basically shake it around. After shaking it around for a little bit, I'll just tie it up again. I apologize for the gold camera. Same thing as before, just pull. I like to loosen it up just a little bit so my head's not being squeezed. Shake it out a little bit and that's it. That's my morning routine, especially for the like days 1 to like 3. I just fix my hair. I don't add any water to it, and I shake it, fluff it out, make it look all nice, and then I carry on with my day. So I'll come back when, you know, it's the night routine. Okay, so this is night 2. Second day of having my curls. You can see they're still popping. They still look nice. I'm doing very simple stuff. I fix it in the morning, and I just throw a bonnet on at night. I keep my hair up. This is the key to all of this. If you have the power to do so, if your hair is long enough, keep your hair up or keep it in a somewhat stretched state, especially when you go to sleep. This will prevent it from like looking super flat when you wake up in the morning. So all I'm gonna do, throw on the bonnet, go to sleep, and I'll see you later.
All right, this is day 4. Doing the same thing to my hair. Take off the bonnet. First step. You can see how the curl is still looking. That's starting to look a little, you know, a little crazy, but we could fix that. Now, to be honest, the hair is starting to look a little crazy, but I still don't really feel like I have to do anything to it. I could spray it with water, but I don't really feel like doing that right now. I feel like it looks okay the way it is, you know. I might like fix it a little bit later with my hand, but that's really it. I'm not doing nothing special to it. The hair is up. I'm going about my day.
All right, guys, it is day 6, and I'm actually gonna wash my hair today because I am getting a protective style, but I could easily stretch this style out for like at least another week. But I wanted to show you how the curls are looking. I could easily stretch this out, but since it is the end of the weekend, basically I'm gonna wash my hair again. I wanna show you guys how you can re-wet your hair or reactivate your curls in the event that your hair feels dry, because this is gonna come in handy during the 2nd week if you're stretching it out that long. Get a spray bottle, and all you have to do is lightly mist your hair. So what the water is gonna do is gonna reactivate the product that's already in your hair. So it's almost like, it's like refreshing your curls. So you just put the water in your hair, you shake it up a little bit. And there you go. Now, none of the tips that I showed you in this video are gonna be worth anything if you don't know how to curl your hair. So I advise that you watch this video next where I show you my full curly hair routine. That's all for this video. I'll see you next time.